Hello everyone, this is Gayle. I usually don't do haul videos. I used to when I was first starting, trying to get, trying to get some videos done. But I wanted to tell you, those of you that don't know, evidently Hobby Lobby is going to be, I don't know if they're discontinuing their clay products or if they're just reducing the number of items that they sell. But I've been seeing on Facebook for several, I guess almost 2 weeks now, people that have been getting these marvelous clearance prices on their clay products. And I have gone twice a week to my Hobby Lobby and nothing was ever on sale until today. And I'm so excited. I'm going to put my sales receipt over there. But let me just show you what I got. Let me get all my other stuff out of the way. But what I got for $40.61. First off, I picked up 2 packages of the wet dry sandpaper. I've got wet dry sandpaper that I buy in much larger sheets, but for $1.49, it's regularly $5.99. This was a steal, so I went ahead and I got everything they had, and they only had 2. So I have 2 of those. I got a Christy Friesen stamp, and it's called In the Meadow. And you can see it's flowers and leaves, and springtime is coming. And it was regularly $10.99. I got it for $2.74. Can you beat that? And I got 2 Lisa Pavelka border stamps, just because these can come in so pretty, especially if you're doing tiles or something. This one is called Simple Elegance, and it's like, this looks like a channel with what appears to be ball chain in the middle. This one is little hearts. This one is sort of a Baroque type thing, and then some other little marks. And this was $10.99. I got it for $2.74. And here's another one, also $10.99. I got for $2.74. This one has flowers, some other like roses, and just more floral. This is called Daisy Chain. So I got that. This wasn't on sale, but I did get it, and I'm going to try it on a tutorial pretty soon. It's this glitterific paint by Folk Art. I have been seeing, some of the other people that have been using this. I'm just looking. It's kind of a really thick. So I guess it either needs to be stirred or whatever. The clear from here down is glitter. But I've been seeing some amazing projects being done on the RJ Crafts website where they're using this glitterific paint. And they were using, I don't know if it was aqua or tropical, but which is one of my favorite colors. But I wanted to do, do something a little different. So I got what is called Princess. And it's a combination of pinks and purples. So I'm going to try that on a project. Of course, this was not regular price, but I used my 40% coupon on that. And then I got the Kato Repel Gel. I don't know if you've ever used this before. It's a slippery thing. It's sort of like a Vaseline type of a product. It's not Vaseline, but I mean, it's sort of slippery like Vaseline. And you can put this on your clay if you don't want the clay to stick together. And then you can bake it, and then it'll come right apart where you have the Repel Gel. And I've got some, but it's gotten old, so I just figured I would get a new one. Let me go ahead and put it up there with that while I've got it out. And then I kind of went nuts on bezels. I very seldom buy bezels just because I'm not going to pay the price for them. But look at all these bezels I got. These are Lisa Pavelka bezels. They were all $1.49 except for one. This one, for some reason, was $1.99. But I think the difference is it's got a little ring on the top, a little jump ring, or maybe that's no, it's a jump ring. And it was priced higher originally. Anyway, let me see. Yeah, there's some more. I'm just so excited. You know, I am very frugal with my clay, I mean, with my money, and I just don't buy a lot, because I can't afford it. You know, that's the whole thing. I can't afford it. I think the rest is clay. I may come across something else in here, but look at all these bezels. Aren't they pretty? And they're Lisa Pavelka. You know they're going to be good quality. I'm really tickled to get these. These were originally $5.99, except for this one. That was $7.99. And it's reduced to $1.49. So I thought, well, I may as well. So we're going to be doing some pendants. And then here's my clay. I got Primo and Souffle. That's normally $2.69, and I got it for 67 cents. And I'm just trying to put all my souffle together. I got everything that they had in stock that was marked down. They had a lot of colors that were not marked down. And I'm thinking that maybe that's going to be coming at a late, you know, maybe they're just doing a little at a time. So I will go back every so often. What color is this? This is Periwinkle. I got 3 of those. I got everything that was, every piece of clay that they had that was marked down. And you can see it wasn't that much. They did have more of the Primo. This is the zinc yellow, but I've got a lot of zinc yellow from before, and I don't use it that much, so I didn't buy all that they had of that. But this is Primo. It's another Periwinkle, and then Souffle. So I was able to get 2 colors of Primo for 67 cents a piece. That was the Periwinkle and the Jungle. And like I said, I'm going to go back on Friday and see if they've marked down any more. And then I got these colors. This is Primo. And I got these colors of Souffle. This is Sage, Mocha, Mai Tai. I think this is So 80s. Yeah, So 80s and Lagoon. So I'm able to restock on some of my clay for a very low price, which really tickles me to death. But if you have a Hobby Lobby near you, try going over there and seeing if their clay stuff is marked down. They had a lot more that was marked down, but it's things I already have. And I wasn't going to buy duplicates of things that I already have. But you might, they had some molds, they had just a lot, they had some texture sheets, you know, the plastic texture sheets that I use on some of my projects. And they had just had a lot of things that were really reduced. So run on over to Hobby Lobby and see what you can find, and I wish you luck. So just wanted to share this with you because I was just so excited. I got all of this for, you know, $40, and that includes this. So I'm happy. So have a great day. I'll be posting another tutorial pretty soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.